guys, I hope you all well. You know exactly what we're gonna be doing in this video. I am so super excited. My hair looks a mess because we're gonna be checking out the new makeup revolution Plex hair care system. I got it all in here. Let's just see what it is. I'm super excited because it looks so good. And I really hope it's good. I haven't tried this yet, so it's a first impressions review for you guys. By the way, Revolution sent me this, and I'm always super honest with you. I'll tell if it's sponsored or PR or gifted. So Revolution were kind enough to send me this to try out, and I'm gonna be super honest with my reviews, as I always am. Makeup Revolution is cruelty-free and vegan-friendly. Well, this one is Revolution Hair Care, but it's basically Revolution is one brand with loads of sister brands under. So I think of it as one big brand with loads of different products. What we have in here, the bottles are numbered 3, 4, 5, and 6. Well, Revolution says they start from 3 rather than from 1 and 2, because we treat 1 and 2 as your salon treatment, whatever it's, you know, hair dye, bleach, or any treatment it is. My hair been bleached and I dyed my hair recently. I filmed the video. So products we have in here is number 3, Bond Restore Treatment, Protein Cascade System for all hair types, restores, strengthens, and conditions. Triple level hair bond technology helps protect hair and Jesus shine, restores strength, and improves overall hair color vitality. Use before shampooing for best results. Follow with Revolution Plex steps 4, 5, and 6. This is what we're gonna do. Then we have a Revolution Hair Care on Plex shampoo. Then we have the number 4. So they say exactly the same thing on the back. It's just different instructions on how to use it. And then we have number 6. Once again, they say exactly the same thing at the back and on the front of the packaging, just different number and different instructions on how to use it. Okay, before we're gonna start, let's just see how my hair looks now so we can compare. So my hair looks like this now. It doesn't look too bad, but it needs some TLC for sure. And with all the salons being closed, you can't get these super treatments for your hair being done professionally, so I think this might be a big help. We're gonna start with the Bond Plex Restore Treatment number 3. So what they say how to use this is apply a generous amount to towel dried hair and comb through. Allow to penetrate the hair for 10-15 minutes or leave overnight if desired. Rinse with warm water. Use 1-2 times a week as desired. So I'm gonna go quickly wet my hair and then we can apply this. Be back in a second. Okay, I just got my hair wet, no shampoo or anything, because we don't say to do any of that. We just said towel dried hair, so it needs to be wet apparently. It doesn't say if I should apply root to tip or anything, it just says generous amounts. So let's do what. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention that it says it's SLS and SLSE free, so no sulfates or anything like this, which is really good for your hair. That should do. Oh my god, it smells so good, you guys. You have no idea. Oh my goodness. It smells amazing. So I'm just gonna try and work this all into my hair and then comb it through, as they say. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Like, so good. It smells like a spa. Comb this through. Okay, it's all over my hair now. I'm gonna do as they say, and I'm gonna wait 10-15 minutes for the product to soak in and my hair to absorb all the goodness it has to offer. I'm gonna wait actually 15 minutes, not 10 instead. I would probably even do overnight to see if it's even better. I'm gonna add this in the comments down below. I'll try another time to do overnight to see if it's bigger impact to my hair or no, so check the comment section. So yeah, I'm gonna leave this in for 15 minutes and I'll come back to you. So my timer just started playing as the 15 minutes passed. So what they say is after holding for 10-15 minutes or overnight, rinse with warm water and then use the rest of the steps. So this is what I'm gonna do quickly. I'm gonna go rinse this with water and then we can do the rest. I rinsed with water the treatment number 3, and oh my god, my hair feels so super soft. It's like I had a super hydrating hair mask on, or I applied the conditioner all over my hair, or like some kind of cream all over my hair. Because if I touch, my hair just feels smooth, like super sleek. Like I wasn't expecting that, literally. Wow. Okay, let's go with treatment number 4. So the instructions how to use it, they say, is using warm water, apply shampoo throughout scalp, mid-length and end, massaging gently in circular movements, rinse well and repeat if necessary. They say using warm water. Well, I just washed the number 3 off, so my hair is soaking wet. They say to apply on the scalp, mid-length and ends, so basically all over. Loads of people actually do mistake by shampooing the hair when they shampoo only scalp, you know, concentrating only on the scalp and cleaning the gunk, the oils and, you know, products used with stuck to the scalp, but then forgets the length. Do you guys do that as well? Because when I shampoo, I always massage it into the scalp and then into the length and into the ends, so the hair is properly treated. This is very important. Lots of people forget that that's part of your hair too, as much as important as, you know, the scalp. Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna massage into the scalp first. I'm gonna go quickly wash this off and repeat the shampooing process, as I feel like I need a bit more water, but my hair is not wet enough. But I'm not gonna take this with me in the shower. I think you know how to shampoo your hair, so I'm gonna quickly do that and then we can carry on with the rest of the treatments. I washed twice with a shampoo, and turns out you need way much less product than I used. It's just my hair wasn't wet enough, so I think my hair was just a little bit too dry, so make sure your hair is proper wet. But I'm sure you're gonna be doing this in a shower, not like me. Number 5 is protein cascade system for all hair types. After shampooing, smooth conditioner through mid-lengths and ends, working product towards roots where necessary. Leave for 3 minutes, rinse well. Okay, let's massage this into the ends and mid-length. Oh wait, it smells so good. Like the shampoo, this number 3, the shampoo, and now this conditioner. Guys, oh my god, yeah, it smells amazing. Alright, so I'm gonna leave this on for 3 minutes, as we say, and then I'm gonna wash it off and come back to use to do another treatment. Okay guys, so wash my hair and a towel on, because you're supposed to towel dry before next step. So next step is a number 6, which is on Plex Restore Styling Cream. So what they say to do with that is applying product to towel dried clean hair, smooth through mid-lengths and ends, style as desire. This is what we're gonna do. Okay, my hair should be getting dry. My hair feels super soft as well. Like I don't think I could brush my hair so easily normally from the roots, not starting from the tips. Let's try the number 6. It don't say how much to apply, it just says to smooth through mid-lengths and ends. So okay, I'm not gonna use more just in case my hair gonna get greasy or something. If only you could smell this. Okay, my hair, oh my god, you guys, it feels so super smooth. I can't even explain it. It literally feels like I applied a whole bottle of conditioner all over, like root to tip, although I haven't. It just feels so super smooth. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna dry my hair. I'm not gonna add any more product, just gonna see how this gonna work. So I'm gonna dry my hair. Alright you guys, I blow dry my hair and I use the straighteners. I didn't use any of a product as I wanted to be this purely about this new Plex system by Revolution Hair Care. You guys, look at that. My ends especially, like I have problem with my ends just because I think my hair is bleached and I use straightener on a daily because my hair is kind of puffy. That's a word to describe. It's not super straight, but it's not super curly. It's kind of something in between. Therefore, I'm straightening my hair every day. So because of that, I have like very damaged ends all the time. But you guys, look at that. I mean, can you see this? Like the ends look super moisturized. Like I didn't add anything, no any other product. Majorly surprised about it because I honestly wasn't expecting that result. Like you can see even in my previous videos, but usually these parts of my hair is kind of fluffed up because the ends are always so, it doesn't look nice. Like it's so dry, and I have naturally very oily hair, but my ends are always just super dry. But this is just like some kind of super spa treatment for my hair, and it smells amazing. Okay, check this out. I didn't add any product, nothing extra, just these, and my hair looks so good. I didn't even use, actually, because I forgot, heat protecting spray, because I usually use this before I blow dry my hair or use a straightener. Totally forgot, but I mean, look how shiny my hair looks. I'm like, humongous thumbs up, you guys. I couldn't recommend this more. Try it for yourself. Let me know what you think. And it smells amazing, like my hair now. Oh my god, it smells so good actually. Not even joking, like I don't need perfume or anything on. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and you found this helpful. Leave a comment down below, let me know if you tried this already, if you liked it just as much as I do, and what I should review in my next video. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to press the thumbs up, so important. Hit that button to subscribe so you can see more videos like this, and the bell icon so you guys get notification every time I post a new video, and give your girl a follow on Instagram. I post daily, especially on my stories, and I review way much more products than I do on the channel on my Instagram. So that's been said, I hope you guys having a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you very soon. Bye! Check it out.